Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about my open trade on Solana. Okay, so Sol USD, that's the ticker for it, and I'm going to explain my analysis to you guys. So let's head to the 1 day and I'll explain everything. So I first started, basically my story with Solana is I started buying at 180, right, I think right around here, 180, and then I started dollar cost averaging on my way down. Boom, 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 buying. I had low entries, so I think from as low as 130-ish, 130, and then I started seeing price do basically higher highs, higher lows, switching the trend, switching basically its direction, because here we were basically just doing a small bearish trend. So we started switching the trend, breaking new highs, forming new highs, and I started selling a little bit um, every week and every day. As soon as I saw basically make new highs, I started selling a little bit, and I was cutting profits, boom, cutting profits. Once we reached 150, I bought in again, so I started adding more into my position because I believe we were still bullish, and then did the same thing. We started going higher. I was holding up, cutting profits. As soon as we reached, I think 240-ish. No, not two. I think 240. I think it was 230 something. I think like 236, something around that. I basically exited all my position, made I think the second largest trade of last year was on Solana, and then just started reversing. Price just started going down. Now I believe we're in the same scenario as last year. Okay, so we made a low, we went all the way down to the 117, 118, and then now we are reversing. We're changing the direction, so I want to be on the direction of the trend. Okay, and then I didn't buy until this last break of this supply zone. Okay, so I just talked about this in the last video that I made. This is supply, basically resistance level right here. We have a little touch right here from last year again, but after that we have been rejecting from this 145 level. Okay, I was scared to enter before because I think once we have a rejection like this, it's basically indicating that we are still bearish, making new lows. Then we rejected right here again, and then we made a retest on the demand. So I was waiting for just looking to see an opportunity, a better opportunity, right? And I think it's not that I found it right now. I just didn't want to, I don't know, feel like entering a trade and then reversing on me. So I decided to enter after we would break this level right here on the left. So we finally broke this level, and then I think I added one. I have one entry at 146, so I'm currently in drawdown for that. But I entered a couple of more positions, and my lowest one is at 141 right here. Okay, that is my lowest entry, and I'm willing to go up if we touch probably 137. I'm still looking to add entries, and 134 as well. So I'm bullish on it, and I think um, we're gonna make new highs in the next couple of weeks or months. Okay, so do not follow me, do not follow my advice. I just looking to make some profit off of it. Okay, this is right now my current trend line for it. So right here is too big. So if we look right here, we have a retest on this demand on the left. The green area is my strongest area of demand. Right here is my strongest area of demand. And then right here as well is my strongest area of demand. So remember, we want to buy at demand, sell at supply. I have this level right here is just basically a supply and demand zone, and then the red is basically a supply. So we're still on basically inside this area of supply, but I want to break through this area, form new highs, and then come back. I want to break this area, form new highs, come back to this level, and then keep going on the same trend. All right. So 1 hour right here, time frame. This is my exact entry right when we dipped. So we made this new low and I decided to enter one more position. So I'm currently holding, I think on my account, probably 10% of my account is Solana right now. And I'm looking to hold this until we break, I think 150. I think I'll probably start cutting some profits. And then, of course, my next target would be 170. If I can show you guys. Right here, 170, this area right here of supply on the left. So we have these two touches right here and then another one right here. Okay. This is where I want to probably exit the rest of my positions, probably leaving one or two in. And again, this is not a matter of minutes or hours. This is weeks, probably. Maybe it could take a month. Okay. Depends on the volatility, depends on the news, depends on many things. Okay. So this is BTC USD now. Now I basically have the same analysis for Bitcoin. Okay. I think both of them are on the same group. That's why I'm long on both. So we have this area of supply right here, bunch of rejection from here as well. We broke, so we broke above, boom, broke above. That is perfect. Now I'm not looking to enter at the highs. I'm looking to enter at the retest. That's what I did. Have this entry right here, and then now looking to make new highs. So I have an entry at this demand zone right here. Again, this is where you guys should be entering a trade, not when it's at a high. Okay, so I waited, boom, price came down. I got in, and now I'm just waiting for this probably to break the highs, or I'm gonna look for the next yeah, this is the demand right here, so probably 100K is my target. Okay, both of these trades, I think they are on a bullish trend, so making higher highs, higher lows. Even though it's going sideways, was going sideways for a little bit, we just broke, made a new high, retest, and then coming higher now. So stay tuned. Let's see how this plays out. I do have a very good risk to reward, so about 1 to 4 right here, close to 1 to 5. Once I reach probably 97, around this level right here, so once I reach here, this level right here, I'm gonna start to move my stop loss. So right now I have a stop loss into break even. So this is what I do. My stop loss, boom, move to break even, so that I am risk free on a trade. Let's say 1 to 4. Solana is right now a 1 to 6. So these are very good. Even though I have multiple positions here, these are very good risk to reward trades. And this is what I have to be after. If we, even if I, again, these are risk to rewards based off of these highs. So even if I go and let's just say put at my actual price target, I have a 1 to 9 risk to reward. Is this realistic? Is this every trade? No. This is not every trade. This is a couple of trades a year that I have these types of risk to rewards. So I have to take advantage of. All right. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.